My dear students, I welcome you to today's lesson and I hope that you are all well. We are doing FSC Mathematics Part 1, Inter Part 1, and we are doing chapter number 9, Fundamentals of Trigonometry. We are doing exercise 9.3 and we are doing short questions only which appeared in the last board papers. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe it as well. So today's question number 1 is, okay, I'm writing the questions with in red ink. Evaluate or find the value of tangent pi by 3, pi by 3 minus tangent pi by 6, divided by 1 plus tangent pi by 3, tangent pi by 6. Right? So we'll use the values. So tangent pi by 3 is 60 degrees. So it is root 3 minus 1 over root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 times 1 over 3. Right, cross multiplying it, it is 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1. 1, okay. So it is equals to 2 over root 3 divided by 2. This 2 got cancelled with this. We left with 1 over root, which is the answer. Come to the next question now, number 2 of today's question. Okay, we have to prove that sine square pi by 6 plus sine square pi by 3 plus tangent square pi by 4 equals to 2. So we'll take left hand side first and we put the values. So sine pi by 6 is 1 over 2 plus sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2 this square plus tangent pi by 4 is 1. Right, so equals to 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 1, which is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 4 over 4, which is equals to 8 over 4, which is equals to 2, which is the right hand side. Hence proved. It is proved. Right, this is the question number 2 we have solved just now. Number 3, question number 3. So it is today's question number 3, okay? Verify cosine 2 theta equals to, verify cosine 2 theta equals to 2 cosine square theta minus 1. For theta is equal to 30 and 45 degrees. Okay. So we will do for theta is equal to 30 degrees first. So theta is equal to 30 degrees first. we have cosine 2 theta equals to cosine 2 times 30 degrees equals to 2 cosine 60, which is equals to 1 over 2, which is our left hand side. Okay, 1 over 2. Now just take right hand side. Right hand side is 2 cosine square theta minus 1, which is equals to 2 times cosine square 45 degrees minus 1. And cosine 45 is 1 over 2 root. So equals to 2 times 1 over 2 root square minus 1 equals to 2 times 1 over 2. So it is, oh, sorry, we are doing 30 degrees. Okay, just wait, 30 degrees. It is root 3 over 2. Okay, just let me, it is not 45. We are doing 30 degrees. 30 degrees minus 30 degrees root 3 over 2. 2 times root 3 over 2 the square minus 1 equals to 2 times root 3 is 3, that's over 2. 4. 2 is that 2. Minus 1 over 2, which is equals to minus 1 rather. Okay, so which is equals to 2 over 2, sorry, 3 minus 2 over 2, which is equals to 1 over 2, which is equals to left hand side. So it is verified. Now cosine for theta 45 degrees. So the left hand side is cosine 2 theta, which is equals to cosine 2 times 45. 2 times 45, which is equals to cosine 90, which is equals to 0. So cosine 90 equals to 0. Now go to right hand side. Okay, right hand side. So right hand side is 2 cosine square theta minus 1 equals to 2 times cosine square 45 minus 1, which is equals to 2 times cosine 45 is 1 over 2 root square minus 1, which is equals to 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1. These two got cancelled. We left with 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So left hand side equals to right hand side, which is equals to left hand side. Okay. So left hand side equals to right hand side. It means that it is verified. It is verified. Question number 4. Today's question number 4. Verify sine 60 cosine 30, 60 cosine 30 minus cosine 60 sine 30 equals to sine 30, right? So just take left hand side. Left hand side, sine 60 cosine 30 minus cosine 60 sine 30. This is okay. Just put the value. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2 and cosine 30 is root 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, which is equals to 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is equals to 2 over 4, which is equals to 1 over 2, right? Which is equals to 1 over 2 and which is equals to sine 30. So it means that the left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is verified. Right, so now today's question number 5. Prove that this is a very important question. Cosine 4 theta minus sine raised to power 4 theta equals to cosine square theta minus sine square theta. Sine square theta. Right. So in these questions, we have to take the left-hand side, work on it, and then equate it to the right-hand side. So taking left-hand side now, left-hand side is cosine 4 theta minus sine raised to power 4 theta. We can write it cosine square theta square minus sine square theta square. Now using the formula a square minus b square equals to a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write it cosine square theta plus sine square theta times cosine square theta minus sine square theta. Okay. We know that this value cosine square theta plus sine square theta is, this value is equals to 1. So therefore it is 1 times cosine square theta minus sine square theta, which is equals to the right hand side. So it is proved, it is proved, or the statement is proved. Right, come to question number 6 now. Right, so we have to prove that 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta one plus sine theta equals to secant theta minus tangent theta. Secant theta minus tangent theta. Okay, so just go. Picking left hand side. So left hand side is 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Rationalizing it, okay? Rationalizing the denominator. So 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta multiply by 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta. Right? And square root. These two are same. So it will be 1 minus sine theta the square. And the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sine square theta. So a plus b times a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. And 1 minus sine square theta equals to cosine square theta as well. So it will be equals to 1 minus sine theta the square over cosine square theta. Right, this square got cancelled, this square and root got cancelled. So we have 1 minus sine theta divided by cosine theta. So we can divide it to both. 1 over cosine theta minus sine theta over cosine theta. Now we know that 1 over cosine theta is the secant theta, and sine theta over cosine theta is tangent theta. We can easily see that this is equals to the right hand side. So left hand side equals to the right hand side. Right hand side, therefore, it is verified. The result is verified. It is verified or it is proved. So that's it for today's lesson or lecture. Thank you very much for watching it. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well. If you don't understand anything or if you want the explanation of some steps, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sharing. So thank you very much. Allah aapka हामी aur nasir ho.